Welcome Rotorheads. Today we will be talking about 5 helicopters used during the Vietnam War. Please watch till the end and make sure to subscribe. The Vietnam War, 1955 to 1975 in Southeast Asia. Witness the clash between Communist North Vietnam and capitalist South Vietnam, each supported by their respective allies. Regardless of one's perspective on the war, it is undeniable that helicopters played a pivotal role in the tumultuous events. Let's take a look at the helicopters deployed during the Vietnam War. In this presentation, we delve into some of the standout helicopters from the Vietnam War era. Whether executing troop and supply transport, delivering air support, or executing search and rescue missions, these 5 helicopters left an indelible mark on the pages of history. Number 1. Bell UH-1 Iroquois, Huey. Renowned as arguably the most iconic helicopter of the Vietnam War, the Bell UH-1 Iroquois, affectionately known as the Huey, entered service with the United States military in 1959. This helicopter became synonymous with the war and showcased its versatility through roles such as air assault, troop transport, medical evacuation, and close air support. The enduring legacy of the Huey persists, with its continued usage stemming from its adaptability displayed during the conflict. Number 2. Bell AH-1 Cobra. Introduced in 1967, the Bell AH-1 Cobra, propelled by a single Lycoming T-53L13 turboshaft engine, emerged as a formidable attack helicopter. Strategically designed for anti-tank operations, the Cobra swiftly became one of the most effective assets in the American arsenal. Often operating in conjunction with Hueys, Cobras provided cover fire during troop insertions into hostile territories and played a vital role in delivering close air support to ground troops in combat. Number 3. Boeing CH-47 Chinook. Debuting in 1962, the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, a twin-engine, heavy-lift helicopter, primarily served troop transport and resupply missions during the Vietnam War. Renowned for its substantial payload capacity, Chinooks were instrumental in ferrying supplies and equipment to remote jungle outposts and evacuating wounded soldiers from the heat of battle. Number 4. Command SH-2 Sea Sprite. Introduced in 1957, the Command SH-2 Sea Sprite, designed as a maritime helicopter, played a significant role in anti-submarine warfare and search and rescue operations during the Vietnam War. Often deployed from aircraft carriers and warships, Sea Sprites offered protection against enemy submarines and conducted missions to rescue downed pilots and sailors from the ocean. Number 5. Sikorsky HH-3E Jolly Green Giant. Entering service in 1964, the Sikorsky HH-3E Jolly Green Giant, a sizable transport helicopter, undertook diverse roles during the Vietnam War, including troop transport, medical evacuation, and search and rescue missions. Jolly Greens facilitated troop insertions into enemy territories, evacuated wounded soldiers from combat zones, and conducted daring rescues of downed pilots and sailors stranded in the open ocean. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.